Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Bill.com virtual card. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Bill.com. So as you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on Spend and Expense. Then click on Virtual Card. So here you're going to request a demo to get started. So you're going to insert your personal info. So you guys could look about the virtual card. They have different informations about it. I believe it's a major help for you to get the virtual card, so apply for it. So as I told you, we're going to insert our personal details, our name and last name, our work email, our company name, again our job title, our phone number, the number of employees we have, and the business type we're in. So once you're done with this, you're going to click on Get Started. So next, they're going to have a call with you. So the only thing you do is wait for them patiently since we submitted our request. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.